Good afternoon. Welcome to Soda's Field for another episode of Backyard Chemistry. What we're going to be doing today is a very interesting experiment. No real fires today, but we're going to be experimenting with a homemade bottle rocket launcher. I hold in my hand an ordinary 1.5 quart or 1 liter bottle, I should say, empty. And I'm going to have the fuel isopropyl alcohol. This happens to be 99% isopropyl alcohol, available at any drugstore. And I'm going to put just a tiny bit and then swirl it around so as to vaporize it. So I have alcohol vapor. All I need is a spark. Now what I have here is a little barbecue lighter embedded in a PVC pipe. And when I hit this button, the piezoelectric effect is going to create a tiny spark that will ignite that oxygen plus alcohol mixture, creating gaseous CO2 plus H2O steam. And those gases have no place to go, so they expand and push this bottle off into the sky, a la bottle rocket. Now let's see how that is going to work. I'm going to wipe this down just to smooth it out a bit. Then I'm going to pour just a little bit. Don't need much, because it's all going to turn into gas. And that should be plenty. And I'll hand this off to my assistant. Thank you, assistant. And the trick is to swirl it around. Swirl it, roll it, roll it, roll it. And then get some oxygen in there. Any excess alcohol, we're just going to expel. Don't need it. All we need is good vapor in there and some air. So let's see how that works. Still got quite a bit in there. All right. All right, there we go. Ready to go. So I need someone, an assistant, to give me a countdown.
3, 2, 1.
Oh, that went way up in the air. You probably couldn't see it, but trust me, that thing went up, a good 30 or so feet. That's the bottle rocket. Now, it's only good if we can reproduce it. Thank you, assistant. What would I do without my trusty assistants? I would be out of business. So, I have one all prepped here. Let's put it on here. Oh, okay, assistant, would you like to, don't touch that please until we're ready. All right, 3, 2, 1. Whoa, bravo. So there you have it. The oxidation of isopropyl alcohol to give carbon dioxide plus water, both gases, those hot gases expand. They have nowhere to go, so they push that bottle off and expand into the air. The so-called alcohol bottle rocket. Another example of chemistry for today's world. So,
Backyard Chemistry! What in the world?
That was a good one.
1, 2,